Hello to all. Now we are going to discuss handicraft on clothes in India. Okay. So we are going to discuss about handicrafts and clothes in India. So first of all, there is bandage and tie and dye. Bandage and tie and dye is famous in Rajasthan as well as in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. What is the name? Bandage and tie and dye. Okay, these three things are famous in Jaipur, Jodhpur, and it's also known as ikat. Ikat. It's also known as ikat. Okay, and they use the resist dyeing process in that particular, and that is the method of dyeing in that particular, and there is that work also major center is Telangana, Odisha, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Now kalamkari. Kalamkari is very important handicraft, which is also famous in the Andhra Pradesh area. Okay, so if we are talking about the particularly kalamkari, so kalamkari is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. What the name? Kalamkari. Kalamkari is famous in the Andhra Pradesh. Another beautiful technique of fabric decoration is called the batik art. There is called the batik art. Batik art. Okay. Now, which is molten wax and then dyed in cold produce batik saris, and that is very famous in Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. This batik is famous in West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. So here is the batik in Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal also. West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh, these two areas are their batik art is famous for. Now next is Jamdani. Jamdani in Surat. Okay, Jamdani is famous in Surat. Jamdani art. Jamdani art is famous in Surat. Okay, and glassware, like glassware are glass beads. These kind of like handicraft are used in Mahabharata period also. So this glassware is where this is famous. Actually, this glass bangles and glass sheesh mahal, small sheesh mahal, that is famous in Karnataka area. Glass in Maski, Karnataka, that was famous during the medieval period also. And glass industry, Brahmapuri and Kolhapur in Maharashtra also, that is very much famous for. Now Pochampalli. Pochampalli is in Andhra Pradesh. Pochampalli. Okay. Pochampalli is in Andhra Pradesh. Silk cotton sari. They are geometric ikat style of dyeing used there in Pochampalli particularly. Patola in Gujarat. Patola in Gujarat. Patola saris is famous in Gujarat. Baluchari is in West Bengal. Baluchari. Baluchari is in West Bengal. Okay, depict ancient story on its border pallu. So Baluchari is in West Bengal. Jamdani in West Bengal also. And Jamdani is also in West Bengal. Baluchari and Jamdani both are in West Bengal. Tanchoi brocade. Tanchoi brocade is famous in UP. What is the name? Tanchoi brocade. Tanchoi brocade. Tanchoi brocade is famous in UP. As before that we discussed about the phool patti ka work and chicken curry, that was also in UP. So Tanchoi work is famous also in UP. Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh. Chanderi. Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Ekal in Karnataka. What is the name? Karnataka? Ekal. Ekal in Karnataka. Chanderi work is where famous? Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Chanderi is famous in Madhya Pradesh. Ekal in Karnataka. Ekal is used for kasturi embroidery with chariot and elephant on its motif. Ekal in Karnataka. Chanderi is the sari of jari of cotton and make fabric chat lighter than the feather. It is see-through sari. Tent in West Bengal. Tent in West Bengal. Baluchari was also in the West Bengal. Now, Nawari. Nawari is in Maharashtra. Nawari. Nawari is in Maharashtra. So Nawari is a single 9-yard sari, known Kasta sari also. So that is famous in Maharashtra. Nowari in Maharashtra. Okay. Now, Bomkai in Odisha. Bomkai in Odisha. Okay, Kosa in Chhattisgarh. Bomkai is a fabric, usually either stripe or check and a white border and with motif of animal and natural element. So Bonkai is in Odisha. Silk cotton sari. It's ikat, embroidery, indicate thread work. Conrad in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Conrad in Tamil Nadu. So Bomkai sari is famous in Odisha, and Conrad in Tamil Nadu. Conrad is the fabric, usually either stripe or check and wider border and its motif. So Conrad, what is the name? Conrad, that is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Kosa in Chhattisgarh. Kosa in Chhattisgarh, it is a silk sari. Paithani sari in Maharashtra. Paithani sari is in Maharashtra, and Kalamkari in Andhra Pradesh, as we discussed before, and Kasavu in Kerala. This question was favorite one. Kasavu in Kerala, and Dabu in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. Okay, Dabu and Ajrak print in Rajasthan and Chittorgarh. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video.